Okay, what's up, guys? Today I'm going to be playing Subway Surfers. It's Turbo J here. It's my second video, and let's see if I can, get good. I haven't played this game in so long. Let's yeah. I wish I can use my thing, but I don't have enough money. Sadly. Anyways, let's go. Is it Turbo J? He's like my favorite. My name's Jay. I just named my YouTube channel, so it was like my favorite. It didn't Captain Flash or anything, but Turtle is my favorite. So, high school chat. Alright. Yo, I just glitched through the wall. Make sure to subscribe and like, and I'm gonna make another part for the Finn and Jake game. The Adventure Time game. So yeah, in last video, I maybe 15 likes in that video, so go check out that video. And then yeah. So I'm gonna, like, for the Adventure Time video, that game, I'm gonna be having to only use Jake and Finn, and I can use allies. So I did part 1, gotta get to 15 likes for part 2, and now I will be using my voice. For when I get 1K subscribers, I will be doing a face reveal class. Yeah, and I'm not ending this video until I lose. Oh shoot. I lost.